Hi lovely people, welcome back to Lily's Foods. Yes, now if you are Ugandan, you know how crazy we are about this meal here. Yes, so today I'm going to show you the easiest way to prepare the best matoke. You know that soft matoke? Yes, so just keep on watching and don't miss a thing. Okay guys, so get your saucepan, add in water, and then you get some cooking oil, spread it into your hand and start peeling your matoke. Yes, just the way you see it there in the video. Now our matoke is already peeled. Yes, now I have a hack for cleaning your hands. I know most of you avoid peeling matoke to make me dirty, but use that kavera polythene bag and soap and wash until your hands are clean, and trust me, this is going to work for you. Try it, you tell me, you'll get back to me. So my hands, as you can see, I have nothing, I have no dirt there. Yes, now you wash your matoke and put it aside. After that, you're going to pour this water. As you can see, it's a bit not clean. So you're going to pour the water that remains and add in your matoke and put in fresh water in there. Now you have your banana leaves there. Cover your matoke. So cover your matoke and cook for 1 hour or until it's really soft and ready. Guys, this trick, as you can see, I'm going to use aluminium foil. Yes guys, so this is going to make things very easy. Now you're like, Lillian, this is not our traditional way of cooking. Trust me guys, it's going to come out so nice. So nice. The aroma, our traditional aroma, is still going to be there for our matoke. As you can see, you just follow all the steps very well. Now, I don't know what this is called in English, but we call it here. What do we call it? Kikolokoba, yes. So cut it into, those sizes, add it in your saucepan and put in your banana leaf. Our matoke is ready, as you can see. Now, I'm going to... So guys, mash your matoke until it's very soft. Yes. Please make sure you give it time. Don't rush into it. Make sure it looks this soft, without any crumb, anything. Just make sure your matoke looks this soft and this smooth. Yes, this is how we need it, as you can see right there. So you are going to add this in our already made banana leaves, as I showed you, with banana leaves and foil. So you cover it in there and you add on your foil. Now this helps you, avoid the burning of hands. I know most of us, we love that matoke, the soft and gooey matoke, but you have to admit it's hot when you do it the traditional way. It burns our hands. So guys, this is very easy. This is very easy and it is very nice, and it doesn't take away anything from our aroma. I know most of us want our matoke with a bit of aroma, that banana leaves, everything. Yes, so it doesn't take away anything. Just trust this step. Yes, now you put it back on there and cook it for 2 more hours on very low heat. Yes, cook it on low heat. So yes, our matoke is ready, as you can see guys. Wait for it. You are going to see how nice this came out. And trust me, try this out. It's not going to disappoint. It's very easy. Yay! Our matoke is there looking so nice. Guys, it is soft. It is really soft, as you can see. Please try it out and tell me what you think about this. Now you're going to serve this up with your very nice peanut paste sauce, or your chicken stew, your beef stew, your bean stew, anything. And trust me, you are going to enjoy it. You're going to love it. As you can see, it's really soft, it's gooey, very nice. Yes, now I ate mine with my peanut paste sauce. As you can see there, guys, this is so nice. Please try it out and tell me in the comment section what you think about it. And don't stop from there. Please watch more videos, subscribe, join the family, and let us enjoy good food. Thank you, guys. God bless you.